Today we're also going to be doing a healthier French fry. We are using a traditional potato here, a russet potato, but you can also use a sweet potato. Beet fries are popular now. There's a lot of really healthy options. But to make it healthier, what we're going to do, there's going to be no frying involved. We're going to do some roasted fries. So first, we have some cut russet potatoes that have been soaking in water. So the idea is to remove a good amount of starch from the potato. And you'll see that once we take these out of here. These have been soaking for about 35, 40 minutes. And that's going to allow us to get a crispier fry in the end. So first things first, you're going to take a towel, and we're going to put all these on here, and we want to dry them off really well. So this one today is a russet potato. I find that it works really well with this kind of recipe because it's sturdy and holds up well to the roasting. You know, some other potatoes you may use for a traditional French fry, because you are frying it, you know, you're creating that coating on the outside. So you can get away with using another kind of potato, but I find this works quite well. Sweet potato would be a great healthy option, although it has, you know, that's a little bit of higher sugar content. It has all those really good minerals and vitamins in there. So that's another great option. They were just showcasing if you want, you know, to go for that more traditional product, to have those French fries at home without, you know, buying them out or buying, you know, a bag from the freezer section, something you can do yourself easily. So you don't want to overcrowd the pan. That's going to cause your fries to steam instead of, you know, getting some of that moisture out and then roasting. So you want to make sure that there's enough room in between all your fries. And now you can see this bowl here we have. See how cloudy it is? That's all the starch that's just come out of your potatoes. So that's going to help us get a crispier product in the end. So now we're just going to drizzle a little olive oil on there just to coat the pan. A little salt. We're going to salt them up a bit. Give them a nice mix. Make sure they're well coated. Now we're going to cook these in a two-step process. So first, like you would do with a traditional potato or French fry, you would blanch them a little bit to kind of cook the potato and then crisp them up. So we're going to do the same thing but in the oven. So we're going to start at 375 and we're going to cook them for about 15-20 minutes, like get them nice and tender. Once again, it's going to depend on your oven and the strength of your oven, but just keep an eye on them until they're tender. And then we're going to turn the oven up to about 420, really get that texture, that crispness, and we're going to watch them and rotate them and move them around to kind of get that color all the way around. So we're going to go ahead and pop these in the oven, 375, 20 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on them.